All right, class. Going to make this little video here to show you how to correctly submit your Brain Buffet at the end of every project. Um, this is a Premiere Pro tutorial, but it should be pretty much the same thing for Photoshop. All right, so here is Brain Buffet Premiere Project 2. This is the one that Studio Directing has been working on recently. Um, and I updated the assignment a little bit to be a little more clear. So what I want you guys to submit is a screenshot showing your timeline with the tutorial followed, and an exported MP4 file of your video. So right here I have a screenshot of what that looks like on my end over here. I'm going to show you Premiere. Okay, so this is the sample timeline, and um, I have the timeline over here made a little bit bigger. Timeline is also called a sequence. They're interchangeable terms. So there's things that are required to do on the timeline, such as change the color of the um, different clips, different things that are, the adjustment layer over here, um, effects applied to different clips. So all the editing, the moving this over here, um, all these are required, and you should have done while you were following along with the tutorial. Audio ducking is down here at the bottom. So I'm going to look for all that kind of stuff. And Windows button and print screen. If you are one of the newer computers, you might have to hold down the function button at the same time. That makes a little screenshot. Um, so screenshot that, then export it. Go up here to export. Change the name of it to something you'll remember. Brain Buffet underscore sample Alcala, something like that. YouTube 1080p full HD. You might have to find it in more presets if it's not right here. Format H.264 is what we're looking for. And then you click export. Remember where you're going to put it, somewhere where you can find it. I'm going to go to my desktop over here. And Brain Buffet Alcala example. This is from when I exported it a little while ago. And in my pictures, screenshots, over here I have the screenshot. I made two of them. Um, go over here back to Google Drive. Submit this is the example. There should be a screenshot in here too. I don't know where it went, but it was right here, screenshot and Alcala example. They're in the folder. The two little guys here let me know that the folder is shareable, so it's shareable at Fayette County. And back to Canvas. I'm on student view here, so I'm going to put the submit button on here in a little bit, and that's what you're going to go ahead and submit. I'm going to be out on Tuesday and Thursday this week, so follow along. Keep an eye on the deadlines. I'll adjust that to today, and we'll move on and make sure you're following along with the tutorial and turn in the project when you see the 25-point summative assignment there. Thank you, guys.